FJD has been committed to democratizing precision agriculture with affordable solutions. If you are drained after long hours of work, and frustrated with losses due to skips and overlaps, we have a solution. Introducing FJD AT1, the tractor auto-steer system. Empowered by GNSS and RTK, you can farm hands-freely with centimeter-level accuracy. There are 4 modes to meet your diverse needs. Straight line, curve, pivot, and A+ line. You can easily translate, switch, and sync the guidance lines. Using U-turn, your tractor can plan its path, turn around without manual control, and close headland automatically. Benefit from terrain compensation, lines on sloped fields are as straight as on the even ground. Link your auto-steer to FJD Connect to map out your boundaries, create and assign tasks to the systems. This is AT1. It works with most equipment brands and throughout seasons. Harrowing, planting, spraying, and harvesting. It helps minimize skips and overlaps to cut fuel and fertilizer costs. Always creating more possibilities in precision agriculture.